Oh my god.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Welcome back to my channel. It's Christmas time because I'm in Turtleneck in 80-degree weather and a Christmas tree is right here. Now, you're probably traveling even though it's COVID to see your family or for whatever reason, and you may be booking with Spirit Airlines. This video is in no way sponsored by Spirit Airlines, but if you're going on Spirit Airlines or you're traveling at all, more than likely you are bringing a carry-on. That means liquids isn't even allowed on Spirit Airlines because Spirit Airlines isn't necessarily traditional in how they do things regarding their own regulations for passengers flying with them. So first of all, yes, you can carry liquids in your Spirit Airlines carry-on bags. So regarding how to pack your liquids, that's what I'm gonna get into with this video. You're only allowed to carry liquids that are 3.4 ounces and less. And I think 3.4 ounces in milliliters is 100 milliliters. Meaning that one container that you plan to bring, whether it's a gel, pastel, aerosol, liquid, it cannot exceed 3.4 ounces. Like for example, I'm planning to pack this deodorant with me, and when I was buying the deodorant, I looked on the label and ensured that it's lower than 3.4 ounces. It's 2.5 ounces, so this is good to go. So once one container that you're bringing is 3.4 ounces or less, then it can work. So like this toothpaste that I'm bringing, it's 1 ounce. If you're shopping before your flight, you want a small toothpaste, you want a small this, don't just grab something that looks small. Check the ounces. Once it's less than 3.4 ounces, you're good to go. And then what you want to do is get a 1 quart resealable transparent bag like this. 1 quart meaning the size basically, or you can buy a bag that's basically this size, and essentially you can, this is the good part about it, you can basically stuff as much bottles that are 3.4 ounces or less inside this. Once it holds inside this, you can basically bring as much as you can. So if you can stuff an entire house inside this and it's 3.4 ounces, which this example does not make sense, but anyways, you can bring it. So let me show you what I'm bringing. The deodorant, 2.5 ounces. My toothpaste, 1 ounce. Safe foundation, I hardly use this, 1 ounce. Face moisturizer, different shape bottle, but it doesn't matter because it's 1.7 ounce. I have my hand sanitizer, which is 2 ounces. I throw that in there. And I'm literally good to go. And the best thing about keeping everything like this is that when you're going through TSA, you're doing your check-in, you have to take out all the liquids from your bag. So when you have everything like this, you open your bag, you take it out, you put it on the table, and you're good to go. And everything is neat and tidy. I want to just clarify that. Suppose you have a 7-ounce bottle, right? You have a 7-ounce bottle with stuff. Like for example, I don't know, let's just say this was 7 ounces and I used half of the perfume in it, right? So that would kind of calculate to maybe 3.4 ounces or 3.5 ounces or say 3.3 ounces. I use just below half. Can I still bring 3.4 ounces of liquid in a 7-ounce bottle? No, it's not allowed. So the bottle size, the container should always be 3.4 ounces or less. It is what it is, the regulation is what it is, and you can't buy your way out of it at all. If you're bringing something like this, if you're bringing something like this as well, just put them in your checked on bag. With your checked on bags, meaning the bag, especially the large suitcases that you don't bring with you on the plane, you can bring as many liquids as you like, and there isn't a limit on the ounces that you can bring. So guys, I hope this video helped. This is just a quick guide on bringing liquids on a Spirit Airlines flight. This guide is basically usable for other airlines as well. Please subscribe and follow my channel if you want me to post more videos about Spirit Airlines, because I travel with them quite a bit. If you like this video for whatever reason, leave a like, help the YouTube algorithm, you know, push this video to some other people, and also comment below some additional tips that maybe I missed, or your experience with Spirit Airlines. And if you are a Spirit Airlines fan, comment below. You know, yeah. I'll see you again on my channel for sure. Bye. All right, what to eat? I'm joking, that wasn't a fake laugh. But anyways, don't you just love Christmas? I just love Christmas. I didn't know I loved Christmas until this Christmas. I'm like, I love Christmas. I love Christmas so much. And this tree is so cute. What do you think? I think it's really cute. Perfect. Yeah. And I'm still single. Okay. Yeah, I think let's wrap it up.